Hello students, how are you? Fine? Okay, I'm also fine. Now, standard 3rd subject maths. We have to do here topic 5 exercise. Chapter 5 shapes and designs. We have to do here exercise of this chapter. Exercise 1. Okay, now I am giving some notes here. You have to see on the blackboard. Okay, you see different type of shapes. इस चैप्टर में हमने शेप्स के बारे में पढ़ा है ना? You have to enjoy this chapter. I know that. Okay, now we have to do here some exercise and we have important notes from the chapter here. I had write on the blackboard. Okay, now different type of shapes. Shapes made with lines. You know about it. Okay, shapes made with line. That means edge. लाइन को हम एज कहते हैं, मैंने आपको चैप्टर में बताया है. एंड कॉर्नर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो यू नो अबाउट शेप्स मेड बाय एज मीन्स लाइन एंड कॉर्नर्स. We use straight line, curve line and corner to make different types of shapes. Okay, now I am repeating here different type of shapes. Shapes mean made by lines. Shapes made with line, that means edge. Corner, that means we have to know about this. We use straight line, curve line and corner to make different type of shapes. Okay, now here I am giving some different type of shapes. Here you have to write and draw these notes in your notebook carefully. See here different type of shapes. First one, rectangle. Square, second. Third, triangle. Fourth, circle. Fifth, pentagon. Sixth, hexagon. Okay, see here some new shapes for you. Here is पेंटागन एंड हेक्सागन. पेंटागन के पास देखिए कितने कॉर्नर है, 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. एंड हेक्सागन के पास है 6 कॉर्नर, 1 2 3 4 5 6. इसके बारे में मैं डिटेल में आपको बाद में बताती हूँ. ओके, सो वी हैव टू नो अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ शेप्स हियर. You write in your notebook carefully, okay, and draw small shapes. I am giving here in this topic. You have to write and draw small different type of shapes. Okay, now next note, make shape with use of tangram. Curve and circle has no any side, edge and corner. You know about this. Curve and circle has no any side. सर्कल में कोई साइड्स होती नहीं है और कॉर्नर भी नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, design. DESIGN. We make different design. Use any or many shapes. We use shapes to make designs, positions, PO, SITIONS, and distance corner. Okay. Hello. Here is some more notes. Different type of shapes. First, square. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4, and all the sides are equal length. Okay. Rectangle. It has 4 edges, 4 angles, two sides are same length and longer than other. Okay. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, two sides are same length, longer than other. Okay. Now, triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 edges. Next, circle. It has no side, no angles, no length. Okay. And no edge, because circle is made by curved line. Here is next shape, pentagon. Pentagon, it has 5 sides, 5 corners, 5 edges. Repeating, pentagon has 5 sides, 5 corners, 5 edges. Okay. Now last, hexagon. It has 6 sides, 6 angles, 6 edges. Okay. एंगल मीन्स कॉर्नर. यहाँ पे मैंने कोई जगह पे कॉर्नर लिखा है, कहीं पे एंगल्स लिखा है, तो आपको कॉर्नर और एंगल एक ही बात है. फिर एज और साइड, मैंने आपको जब ये चैप्टर स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ाया तभी मैंने चेयर सभी का आपको एक्सप्लेशन से फुल्ली एक्सप्लेन करके बताया था कि जो एज होती है वो साइड्स ही होती है. ओके. सो यू हैव टू लर्न इन दिस chapter about different type of shapes, okay, and designs also. So enjoy this part of the chapter. Okay. So thank you class. We have to meet next day for exercise 2. Bye. See you. Stay safe, stay home, and do your work clear and neat. Okay.